We're back with another video. Today we're playing White Noise.
Yay!
How was my intro?
It wasn't that terrible.
No, it wasn't that bad.
Alright,
so Andrew, quickly choose your guy.
I don't know. Like, all these characters have something fucking wrong with them.
I know.
Like, this person right here is fucking retarded and doesn't have very good health, apparently.
If you guys want to check out
this one doesn't have any flashlights. God, like, I might just be this character.
Character kind of sucks a little bit.
Hey, YouTubers out there.
Alright, well, we're gonna start,
check out
so
other
let's do this.
Check out my YouTube channel, ASMN Rain.
Oh, he's got a fucking YouTube channel too.
Oh, he does? Alright. Send me a text message after this video of your...
You guys are trying to do this at the same time.
I know. What is he like
Oh
doing?
shit, my evasion went down.
Did it?
Alright guys, follow me!
Oh, I shouldn't be going alone, should I?
Talon, where are you? Is
Here.
it you, Talon?
I'm at this structure. I hear a
I
thing.
can hear you.
I hear a thing.
Are you the chick, Talon?
Yeah, I'm the chick with the blue hair. I hear a thing.
There's a tape here.
Jeez,
I know, I
it's
can
loud.
too. It's really fucking loud. It's right here.
Oh, okay, thank you for finding it.
Wait, are you this chick right here?
Yeah, I'm the blue hair chick.
You don't have blue hair. It's purple hair.
Oh, purple hair, sorry.
Alright, everybody, follow my lead.
Okay, we're gonna follow Mr. Leather Jacket.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Hey, he's
God,
over here.
yeah, nice to meet
This
you.
way! Guys, this way.
We're playing on easy.
Behind the church.
Behind the church? Why behind the church?
Because we're gonna go through that way. I don't know where that person's going.
Quit breathing, character. I can breathe for myself.
Talon?
Yes.
Alright, just wondering, because Funky, I was on the left and he stopped talking.
Bro, stop turning the light on.
You know, this game's jump scare, I will never get used to it.
I know, it's great.
It's like one of those jump scares that you can't get used to. Can you crush this?
No, you have to find
No.
No, you can't.
Oh, never mind. We can skip rocks.
Jump on the rocks.
I've never played this map. Is this new? What?
Hey, dude, they haven't updated this game ever since like 2013.
You know what game they do need to update? Apoxy. That game needs some massive updates.
Apoxy. Oh my god.
Alright, I need you guys to be quiet a little bit.
Alright. I'll just mute my mic if I want to say something. To the, my wolf pack. So guys, I decided, why not just call you guys the wolf pack? Because
I didn't hear one, guys, by the way.
So, by the way, if you...
Oh, you motherfucker.
What?
God damn, he's over that way. Follow me. Go upstream.
Alright, I was like all confused. You got scared.
Shit, they were cornered. We're gonna have to go this way.
I hear growls.
So
Alright,
anyway,
just follow
I
me.
decided to call you guys the wolf pack, but if you want me to change that, remember to comment down below on my guitar video. If you think it's too long and you don't want to watch it, then you can also comment down below in this video. Why not? Anyway, so,
I don't want to be so close to my fucking TV.
So, I've been calling my, the people who watch my videos.
He's to our left. Guys, he's to our left. Do not look left.
Want to look left? Oh, never mind, I don't want to look left.
Dude, there's too many fucking rivers.
So,
Whoever walked into me, quit. Gary.
nobody is.
Oh shit, he is there.
Where? Oh, hi.
He's to our left.
Hey, he didn't give me a jump scare. He just made my remote kind of weird. Which is not very good because it's kind of sitting on my crotch.
I bet you liked it.
Only a
Right, you might say, but Andrew, we might be back at the church. We're not.
We're not, because these are bases, not towers.
Fucking quit! Damn it, Talon! Oh, pickle!
There's a tickle where? Oh, there's a tickle.
Go right!
Hi there, Green Pickle. Okay, I probably shouldn't have looked.
He must have disconnected because he got lost from us.
He died.
Yeah, he did. You know, because like he's straight too far away from us. Where's this lead?
I don't know where this
Back at the bases.
We just walked in a circle.
Yeah, should we go back the way we came?
Yeah, let's go follow me.
I kind of want to follow this path because it might lead to somewhere new.
Where did you go?
I turned around. I'm still following that path.
Wait, where are you? You probably
the
gonna die.
How am I gonna die? Just calm down.
Because we're not following you.
Why the fuck are you following me? Go back the way.
Oh, there you go.
Over here, you dummies.
I was going to the rocks.
I know, but I said I'm still following the path if you turn around.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Hey, I heard a call.
Alright, guys, don't look left. We're going right. He's either behind us or to our left a little.
Is Mr. Ghost Alien being a douche?
He's to our right when we cross that river. Alright, let's just go straight till we find something.
Oh,
Did we just find more river?
That's some lovely growling in the background.
That's a nice river that we ran into again.
I don't see Mr. Alien.
Dude, I think this map is a little messed up. Yeah, because, like, I didn't feel like there was a way to go. It feels like... What the fuck? I didn't see that! What the hell?
It was on the house.
God damn it. I didn't even see it. I didn't even hear it.
Yeah.
And I don't want to turn on my volume.
The music's scary enough. Oh, apparently there's two bridges. This is gonna be us on the map, just running in circles across the entire map. Looking for stuff.
No, this is new.
Is it a new map?
No, like, the way we're going.
Oh, okay.
New area. What?
Talon, no, get ahead of me.
Sorry.
I'm bleeding.
It's not my fault that you walk slow.
Oh, there's one here.
I want to beat this so bad.
You guys still following me?
I'm following you. Yeah.
Hey, Rain, how you doing? Rain,
He's a little gone.
he's gone.
Yeah, I don't know where
Oh, the pickle.
Where?
What the fuck was that?
What? Oh, let's go.
Did that happen to you? Did that happen to you, Taylor?
What?
That you remember last time we played this? There was that little like sudden, like a kind of like a flash, but not really a flash. Dude, there's 3 pickles on this thing. What the hell was there so many pickles? I mean, I like pickles and I like to eat them, but I mean like.
These kind of pickles are a little dangerous.
You know, you might die if I eat a pickle.
Oh, one of these is probably.
Yeah. They look like they're made of stone. Wait, do a person check. It's just us?
I don't know where the other guy is.
Dude, we fucking lost him.
Well, technically he lost us.
I think he might have died if I didn't say anything.
I told you earlier, he's not with us.
Right or left?
When in doubt, left way out.
I like that.
I just made that up right then and there.
Oh, dude, you're correct.
Oh my god.
Dude, it's this fucking map.
When in doubt,
I
left way
remember
out.
that.
I remember this map now.
There's one here.
Yeah, obviously. It's all the way either back there or something.
Wait, right here. Alright, continue this way.
I got something like licking the back of my neck.
Dude.
I don't know if it's the ghost of our friend.
Dude, windmill.
Wow, look at mine, bro.
Dude, we're having so much better luck.
I know.
Wait,
All I did was make up something.
I don't hear one. Oh, I hear one. I just farted.
It sounded like he said, "I'm going to eat you in your sleep."
Wait a minute.
That's what it sounded like. Wait, I
No!
Oh man, I'm just here.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, we were here.
Oh yeah. Huh.
Go back this way.
Okay, where are you? When in doubt, left way out.
Sure. This is different too. Different science.
The right way is always the right way.
Oh yeah. But I fear it may took us in another circle.
I'm not.
Let's go right.
Whenever you stop moving,
I
you
feel like-
put your hand on your hip.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
What?
Dude, I just heard chains. It made my controller shake. God. Chains fucking scared me.
Like chains? Like metal chains?
Yeah, metal chains, like you're chained up in a dungeon, those chains.
Jeez.
Like shackles.
Hey, maybe it's the ghost of
left.
Christmas.
Motherfucker, right.
I didn't
Yeah,
even
because
see
we've
him.
been down there. He's not down there, we've been down there.
Oh, right.
We probably go in another circle, but...
I swear, if we actually beat this game, it's gonna be awesome. It looks like he's being pretty easy on us. Ah, I just jinxed
Dude,
it.
because he puts it easy.
Well, no, because remember we were on easy before, and we just kept going.
I want to go this way, I want to follow the river.
Now,
I
these
don't know.
trees
Do you want to
look
follow
like
the
houses,
river?
or
Oh, some bitch.
what?
Alright, don't turn around. He may be there, he may not be, but we hit the edge. Alright, turn left.
I don't see him anywhere at all. God, it seems to be so bad.
God damn it!
You know, one thing about this guy is he's got some rockin' abs right there.
he's a big bodybuilder. He has a belly button, this one.
I touched his belly.
Dude, how? I have only seen him like 3 times.
That'd be awesome if you could go into like non-dead mode, like there's a cheat code for no death. So you could like look directly at him and like touch his belly button. That'd be kind of funny.
Just stick your finger in there. Just.
What if his belly button is his belly?
Alright, I know we're going in a circle now, but I'm sorry. I'm just trying to evade him.
I don't even
Am I
see
going in
him.
a circle? Oh, I can hear him.
He hasn't jump scared me once. Well, I mean, I looked over to the left when you told me not to. That's about it. Also, I probably jinxed that as well. Yay!
This game is not good for me.
My flashlight keeps like flashing. It's like turning.
Because it's, I think, I've never seen what happens when you, god damn it, the shack.
When you get all 8 of them. Someone gave me a spoiler because I really wanted to
Yeah, well,
I won't spoil it for the rest of
You'll tell me.
the music's getting louder and louder.
Alright, so we're back here. Probably go.
It's almost like the ghost alien dude is like behind us just playing music.
Yeah, he's probably playing with your chick butt. Oh, dude!
Hey! What do we got here?
Hey!
There better be something here, I swear to God. God, you are so slow.
Shut up.
Yeah, I swear I just saw a marionette right there. Did this say 5 minutes first?
I see Bonnie.
Am I Bonnie?
Have you seen Five Nights at Freddy's 4?
Oh, dude, I saw Jacksepticeye Markiplier play. Holy crap.
It's something else. God damn it! Have you been here?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh, wait, there's more houses now.
Is he back?
I guess he's back. I guess he said I'll be right back.
I'm gonna laugh so hard.
Where are you?
Still
Where are
hard.
you? Where are you?
Oh, I'm on the side of the house.
I was alive when I didn't die.
What?
I was alive when I didn't die. I don't know what
Wait, he just died?
Yeah.
Huh. I think we followed it. Oh, God!
Well, that's
No,
a
don't look
thing.
left.
That actually made my heart. You scared me a little bit.
Kellen, you still with me?
Yeah, my
Alright.
He definitely doesn't want us to find the 7. Ah!
No!
Oh my god, that legit scared the crap out of me. Oh,
No,
I
you're
found the other dead guy. He's been following me this entire time.
Oh, he has?
Yeah.
Like, big ghost guy?
That legit scared the crap out of me.
Oh, I found him.
Oh my
I
heart.
found
Oh,
I found someone.
Oh, that's the other guy.
Yeah, I found him laying on the floor.
Oh god, my heart.
Like a little
Hurts
bitch.
So bad.
Don't cry. Not in front of your army.
Get down.
No, someone sent me a text message. Holy crap.
Come at me, you son of a bitch. God dang it!
No.
Kellen!
What?
Stop, you scared me. Legit. God, this guy too. I'm just trying to find all 7, 8,
Man,
God
that
damn it,
sucks. Right behind
Where I'm going, right.
We've only been like 19 minutes and 40 seconds in the video. Or 20 minutes if we're to be non-exact. This looks like you can't see where the monster is.
Wait, should I go right or go left?
When in doubt, left way's out.
Alright.
Never mind, don't go that way. That's a bunch of rocks and rivers.
Remember, we can cross this shit.
I know, but you've already been here.
No, dude, that's another pickle.
It's pickle.
We've been here. Oh my god!
Was that you?
Ah!
Was that your character? Jeez.
Motherfucker!
Calm down.
Ah!
I know. It's
I'm
scary.
still alive though, like.
I know. It's like playing Five Nights at Freddy's 4 when Foxy
No,
almost
fuck
jumps
Five Nights at Freddy's 4.
No, it's
like,
calm down.
he
Calm down.
was
Calm
touching
down.
my butt. No, I'm
Dude,
not
I'll be
kidding.
right
He's
back.
like, he's that close that he could like give me the finger.
How come we're looking out
You found another one.
one more to go?
I found another one.
Huh? Yeah. Alright. Oh my gosh, I was playing the game and freaking I turned left a little bit. All I heard was screaming. I just turned left.
You still with me, Rain?
Yeah.
Thank you. I need your support.
Oh, I died.
Oh, dude.
Holy crap, we're lucky.
Oh, hey. This is where we spawn. This is where we spawned. So, probably this way.
I hear one over here.
No, that's not it.
What is that?
That's the pickle that you're hearing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that you?
Oh, motherfucker! Ah. I was so close!